Hello, possums. Welcome back
to D.A.D. Adventures.
to D&D Adventures. And today we are going to be doing
Sour Challenge.
the Sour Challenge. Oh boy. So if you see in front of us different things,
Candy.
we're going to be trying different sour candies. But
Like-
this isn't it. Hang on. This isn't everything.
No, there's more.
There's more that I have off camera. So that we're going to be doing 2 rounds.
2 rounds of this.
The intensity is going to get greater.
Real.
And we're going to put a wager on it. So stay tuned and find out what that wager is and how intense we're going to get.
Yeah.
Welcome back. So, as we said before, we have different intensities. So, we got these ones here. These ones are from England. These candies are from England. They're called squashies.
Squashies.
Squashies, cherry and apple flavor, but they're sour. So I don't know. I've never had these before. So we're gonna try those. Next we have
Sour
the main.
Patch
I'm already starting to get that saliva thing going. Just thinking about all the Sour Patch Kids.
Extreme.
Extreme. These are extreme ones. These aren't your regular little over your counter ones.
And
And
jelly beans.
the jelly beans, just like we did the
jelly bean.
the jelly bean challenge. Remember the jelly bean challenge that we did?
Yeah, the disgusting challenge.
But these aren't disgusting. These
No,
ones have
these are sour.
sour apple, sour cherry, sour grape, sour lemon, and sour orange. So these are made again by the same company, Jelly Belly.
So
we got those. These ones, Nerds.
Nerds.
so these have a crunchy candy on the outside with a really sour inner middle.
Okay.
So we got different flavors of those. We're going to be trying those. And then we have,
we have.
oh my gosh, I keep saliva.
Then
My
you
saliva.
want water.
Smog balls, sour
Smog
smog balls.
And then we have green.
We have green, red, white, yellow, blue,
No,
and
that's
purple.
pink.
Whatever. Pink, yellow, whatever.
Strawberry.
So these are made by Toxic Waste.
Toxic waste.
So this is going to be round 1 of the challenge. I'm not going to tell you what's in round 2 of the challenge.
Yeah.
Trust me, the intensity
It's
gets
real.
bigger.
And real.
So how about without any further ado, we
Like,
open these ones out.
Like, get this show on the road.
Let's get this show on the road. We got an eager beaver here. Okay, so I'm going to put my water over by with yours.
I'm not
I need my
scared.
glasses because
I'm not.
I don't want to cut my finger off.
I might win the challenge.
Well, you might. So, did we happen to mention that for every round that we complete, I mean, not for every round, but for every one that we complete,
Challenge. We
get
$5.
I'm putting $5 on the table for each person that completes each one. So we got 10 items.
10 items.
So that means you can win up to $50.
Yeah.
Okay? That's a lot of money, isn't it? So just keep that in mind that there's a wager. All right?
Yeah,
So-
I'm not ready for this.
You want to try one?
Yeah.
All right, grab one. Not yet. Don't put it in yet.
Oh, it's squishy.
Well, yeah, they're just squishy. They're like toffees.
Oh,
Okay.
It smells good.
They do smell good.
Yeah.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. They're chewy. No,
No.
no. There's no sourness to them. They taste like a little bit of a sour apple, like a green apple.
Yeah.
And well, that's about it. My gosh, they are good. Holy Jesus, are they good? You like those? Those are really good. Okay, hang on. Okay, so that was the England. Oh, they're made by Swizzles. Swizzles. Not Swizzlers. Swizzles. Okay.
Sour Patch Kids.
Okay, so next up are the Sour Patch Kids. Extreme Sour Patch Kids.
Extreme.
Oh, look at these ones.
Oh, they're in the bag.
Of course they're in the bag.
I thought they were just like that.
Okay, what color do you want?
And green.
Green?
Yeah.
Okay, let me open it up. There, you can grab a green. Don't eat it yet.
I'm not eating it.
Which color did you get? Blue?
Blue.
Okay, I'll do
Orange.
orange. Okay,
Okay.
ready? 1, 2, 3. Those are sour.
No.
I wouldn't say they're extreme. They're just like every other Sour Patch Kid that you get. What do you think? They're still good. Absolutely, they're still good. I like those. Next are the Jelly Belly jelly beans.
Oh no.
What color are you going for? Orange.
No, wait. Red.
Red? Red? Well, we'll all go red.
Red.
All right, it's going to be a red challenge. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
No.
No.
No, they're just like regular jelly
That tastes like
beans.
the little cherry bubble gum that we used to get. That little cherry gum. Want to try another one?
Yeah, they just taste like jelly
It just tastes like regular jelly beans.
Exactly.
That was a disappointment. I was hoping for I'm gonna try yellow. No,
The orange.
that tastes like lemon.
The
That one should have been before the.
The orange
Sour
one.
Patch Kids.
The orange one is a little sour.
Is it? Okay, next.
Oh, the warheads. Nerds.
These aren't warheads.
Nerds.
The nerds.
Oh,
These ones have a crunchy on the outside,
crunchy.
really sour in the middle.
In the middle.
Okay, what color are you going for? Blue? What about you? What color?
Probably blue.
You going blue? All right, we'll do blue.
Let's
All of them do blue. We'll all do blue.
Okay, 3,
Okay,
2,
2, 1.
No.
A little bit.
No.
A little bit. No? You know that muscle just right behind your ear?
Yeah.
The one that
Oh, I hate.
cramps up?
Yeah, I hate.
That one?
I hate those.
Want to try another one?
Yeah.
We're going to get full on candy here.
No.
You don't want another one? Don't like them?
I like jelly beans more.
You like jelly beans more?
Red.
Red? We'll try red. Okay, red.
No.
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 I thought those would be a little bit more. All right. Yeah. I need to wash some of this candy down.
No. I'm good.
So far, they got a bit of a sour, but they're not like
No.
making your eyes water. A little bit of a disappointment, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Next, we have the sour Smog balls.
The round.
Just the name on itself,
is
sounds sour.
Sour.
It sounds sour.
And really
Ugh,
weird.
it's-
Weird. Okay.
Oh. Ooh, they smell like toxic waste.
Oh.
You going blue?
Blue.
All right.
I'll hold that because it rolls.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's like looks like a gumball.
Blue.
All right, I'm going.
Oh, that smells good.
I got a pink one. All right, ready? Oh, that's hard.
Ow.
That's hard.
No.
Okay. I got a little bit on that one. Yeah, I got a bit on that one. Nothing like, wow. What do you think?
A little.
A little bit, eh? You want to try another one? Huh?
No.
No, you want to try another? I'm going to try another one.
The aftertaste.
Yeah.
The aftertaste is real. Oh.
I don't like that aftertaste.
Yeah, I don't either.
Yeah, it's toxic waste, eh? All right.
Okay, right.
Well, how about everybody completed round 1? Good job, guys. You want another jelly bean? She wants another jelly bean. Another jelly bean. Another jelly belly jelly bean. So everybody completed round 1. So we all made. How much is that?
50.
No, it ain't
No,
50.
no.
5 plus 5. How much?
20.
$25. So you got $25. So, all right, you can get your $25, walk away from the table, be done with everything, or you can put your $25 on the table and try and win another $25 in round 2 for a total of $50. What do you want to do?
Stay.
You want to stay? We got a gambler over here. What do you want to do?
I'll stay.
You're going to stay. We got 2 gamblers over here. That's not me. That must be your mother's gambling addiction.
Are you
Not me.
You're leaving?
I get it. We got to set up for round 2.
Yeah, wait, are you leaving?
Oh, am I leaving? No, I'm going to stay.
You're
You know
staying.
Daddy. Yeah, Daddy's going to play the lottery on this one. So, stay tuned and we'll be right back for round 2. Okay, welcome everybody to round 2 of the
sour
Oh, here, let me move that. You can't see you.
challenge.
The sour challenge. So, in round 2 of the sour challenge, we have some
toxic waste.
sour candies. Now these are different from the other ones
The
that were
other
made by
ones.
toxic waste, and these are actual different. So as you can see,
Yeah, we have
it's like a little garbage can.
toxic waste.
We also have some
Crybabies.
bubblegum, pure lemon juice,
Lemon juice. And
pure pickle juice,
pickle juice.
dill pickle juice,
And
pure
pure
citric acid.
citric.
So for those of you that don't know,
Know
what citric acid-
is.
you want to tell the story? I feel like I'm over talking you. Okay, what is citric acid?
It's a lemon.
Citric acid is actually the stuff that they put on the sour. It's the sour stuff that you get on the candy.
I mean, it has a lemon on it.
Well, yeah,
So-
okay, so because it's citric, so it
Yeah.
comes from, I guess, lemons. The
Lemons.
citric acid. So
So
as they dry out the juice or whatever, it becomes like a sugar or something like that. They extract it and they can make the citric acid powder, and that's what they put on your candies, like the candies we just ate, like your Sour Patch Kids,
yeah,
the Crybaby bubble gum.
the crybaby
So
bubble gum.
they just put a little bit on. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try a teaspoon of it and see.
And see
Okay,
what
so-
it does.
How about for now? I'm gonna put because this is such a big container.
Okay.
Put that there.
Okay.
And again, for each one that we complete is $5.
Daddy, look, it has a brain.
A brain?
Yeah, a
Yeah,
brain.
yeah, it's got a brain on it, so you can
And that
see it.
goes,
It
poo.
blows your mind. That's how sour these ones are.
Yeah,
So-
sour.
Oh,
Oh,
wow, look at this. oh wow.
Whoa.
So we got different colors here.
Ooh, wow.
What color do you want?
Um,
You don't get very many in that at all.
I want blue.
You want blue? Megan, what color would you like? That one? And I am going to take, I'll take
Okay.
pink.
Well, we have to open it.
We have to open it. Here, I'll help you.
Yeah, I can't open it.
I'll help you open it. Oh, these are hard to open.
Yeah, they're hard.
There we go. Okay.
Oh.
You think you can get that now?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, mine's actually green. Okay, ready? Go.
Hard once again.
A little bit of sour. More sour than the other ones.
Mhm.
Yeah, they're sour.
Mhm.
It's burning my nose. I don't know.
When I put my mouth, it got my lip.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't like that.
don't like that one? Okay. That's... Wow.
I don't either, but
How was it sour for you?
uh-huh.
Mine was like an actual sour apple. Pure sour apple.
But it didn't make my eyes water or anything.
It made me start saliva. My saliva. Ah, I can't even talk.
Saliva.
Yes, it started going like a waterfall. But other than the bad taste,
Yeah.
was it sour?
Yeah.
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 Okay. How about we do the crybaby?
The crybaby. I thought we were going to do the.
Now I remember these as a kid.
You do?
Yes. And
I didn't even drink any
Here, pick a
water
color.
yet.
pick a color. And I'm gonna go yellow. Because yellow should always be the worst.
Oh, the smell.
Need some help?
Yeah, I can't get that.
Yeah, they're a little tricky.
They're tricky, but Megan got it.
There you go.
Don't eat it.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Yours is running away. Okay.
Did you eat it yet,
Hang on, I'm
man?
trying to. There we go. I got it. Ready?
That's why we have scissors.
1, 2, 3. Stuck on it. Okay, bite it.
Mm.
Not too bad. What do you think?
No.
No? You don't like it?
No.
Was it sour?
Uh-huh. I don't like that one.
Yeah. I have a drink of water. See, with these ones, because it's bubble gum,
Ow.
it stays sour for like a couple of seconds.
And
It's
it goes
gone.
away.
And now it just tastes like regular Hubba Bubba gum. Okay, well, I'm not going to keep chewing that because
That's gross.
we've got other things that we're going to be doing.
Oh, that's
Let's put that-
gross.
Let's cleanse our palate, shall we?
That was gross, like really bad.
All right, so the next is... Ooh, now we're getting into the... we're getting into some heat now. Now we're got...
Intense.
Oh,
Oh my god.
so let me get 3 Dixie cups.
3.
And
1,
let me pour up some...
2, 3.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to give you a little. Now, we don't have to, like, chug the whole thing. It's
No,
like...
are you kidding?
Okay. All right. Oh, actually, yeah, I spilled a little bit here.
Oh, that stings.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready for this one?
No.
Okay, so you gotta take at least a decent sip, okay?
Yes.
You can't just like go and touch it with your tongue and be like, oh my gosh, that's sour. No, you gotta actually like take a sip, swoosh it around in your mouth, like you're.
Ew.
Okay. Ready?
No.
On your mark, set, go.
I like it.
Oh. Oh. swishing around her mouth was a bad idea. Excuse me. Oh, oh boy. Do you like it? What is wrong with you? That was horrible.
Oh god.
Oh my gosh. As soon as I swished it around, it hit the back of my
mouth.
that remember I told you about that muscle?
That ear muscle.
It all of a sudden went, yeah, the ear muscle went cramped right up. Oh.
That one was bad.
Did you drink all of it?
Almost.
Holy jeez.
I didn't.
Oh. Hers is almost gone. You animal.
No, not the pickle
The
juice.
pickle juice.
Oh. Okay.
That one, whew.
Do not swish it.
It made the top of my, huh?
Don't swish it.
Yeah, you gotta
around
swish
your
it.
mouth.
Gotta, that's the best part.
Oh
Oh my god, I keep burping that. That was wrong. Okay. Here, let me clean this up a bit.
I'm doing this for fun already.
Are you ready?
No.
No?
What one's mine?
This one's yours.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Yeah. All right. Bottoms up. I like pickle juice. It's sour, but I like pickle juice.
I'm fine.
I love pickle juice. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm fine. That one
In
didn't.
fact, I'm gonna drink all of this. I love pickle juice.
That one didn't hurt as much.
Yep.
You want
Yeah,
mine?
I love pickle juice. A lot better than that stuff. That's crazy.
Do you want mine?
No, I'm good.
Oh, that's gross. Oh no. The
Okay, so the last one. This is the big kahuna. Okay. So, citric acid, pure citric, pure citric acid. So, choose your weapon. That one?
Choose your weapon?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just put a little bit on it for you.
Okay.
That much?
Okay.
Yeah, this is pure. Okay, it's not gonna take take a lot. If you were to take too much of this, like a full teaspoon, it could potentially
Break
Aren't
your
like-
mouth.
put blisters on your tongue. It's so
We have to
harsh.
eat all of that.
No. God,
No,
no.
are you
I just put that
kidding?
in a bowl.
Okay.
Okay, can you hold it? Okay, lean forward though so you don't spill it. You okay? Hang on. Keep watch what you're doing. Don't spill it. Hang on.
You're having a lot?
Well, okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Dude! Drink some water.
I want it.
Oh my god. Drink some water. It'll burn your tongue.
No, Mom.
I want the lemon stuff back.
Here, drink your water. Oh. What did you do? Oh, tell me. What are you going through right now? It's harsh, eh? My nose is running. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was woo. Scale 1 to 10. 10 being really bad. How bad was that?
A 10. A 10.
That was a 12. What was it for you?
50.
50. Yes. I'm agreeing with that. It was definitely wow. I've never had anything not like that.
And not that. And not that bad.
It's not that good. It was bad, Faith.
I have some on my lips.
Yeah, it's. I actually lost a little bit of, like, taste buds. I don't know if that's possible.
Why do you think you're gonna?
Oh my goodness, I'm hiccuping. Oh my god, last time I did this was the one chip challenge. Okay, so that was
Daddy,
citric acid.
Daddy, do you think we could eat dinner now?
I don't know. That ruined my taste buds there.
Oh, that was harsh.
That was harsh, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
That was like getting kicked right in the mouth.
In the mouth.
That was really bad. That was bad. Yeah. We all agreed that was by far the worst one
The worst.
out of it. Thank goodness I
And
saved that
the
for the
one
end.
that-
Imagine trying to do that at the beginning and then doing the other ones.
And the lemon juice
So-
was bad.
Lemon juice. You actually like the lemon juice.
Yeah.
That is absolutely
How do you
mind-blowing.
like it?
That's mind-blowing. But the pickle juice you didn't like.
Yeah, it was alright.
It was alright. I love the pickle
I
juice.
love pickle juice.
Yeah.
I
But the lemon juice,
I
so-
just hate the pickle juice when I eat pickles.
I would have had the pickle juice and the lemon switched around for me because I found lemon to be worse than the pickle juice because I like pickle juice, and you obviously like the lemon juice, and
When I touch my tongue.
there's no feeling, is there?
Uh-uh.
No, that's what I mean. Like the feeling. Does your tongue have any feeling left on it?
Yeah.
Does it? Like right now, mine's like stunned. It's like I got stung or something. That was horrible. Your tongue's green.
Yeah.
Look at it. Go bleh. Look at that tongue. It's like well,
It's green
So-
because of my green.
all right, so here's the roundup, everybody. I'm out a lot of money. $50 for this one. $50 for this one. Good job. Good job. I'm proud of you guys. So, if you guys like that video and you'd like to see more,
But they probably don't like the video cover.
why wouldn't they like the video?
Because we ate sour stuff.
Well, they might like that.
And your face.
Well, then why would that? Then they would probably like the video, right?
Your face was devastating.
Well, yeah, my face was devastating. Yes, it was. So if you like the video and you like to see more crazy foods like this and trying different wacky things, and let us know. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you think would have been the worst for you. I want to hear.
Or comment down below what one was your favorite.
Yes, comment. That's another good one. Comment which one you thought was the favorite out of all these, out of all 10.
I think my favorite was the jelly beans.
The jelly beans. I kind of like those ones from England, like that toffee kind of stuff.
Yeah, I do
It wasn't
too.
sour. There's no sourness to it. It tastes like
No.
a green apple,
Yeah.
if anything. So, comment and let us know about that, and share this video with everybody. And if you haven't yet subscribed and you're new to the channel, so hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when we put out new videos.
And we post a new video.
Yeah. So, on that note, what do you think?
Stay awesome, possum.
Stay awesome, possum. Have a good night.